boat?
I'm working on it. Radio's out, no radar. Everything's dead back here. What do I do? Talk me through it.
Okay, first the radio. Throw the UHF-2 circuit breaker. Try that.
There's 300 breakers back here. Anything more specific?
I don't know. That was your dad's department.
I'll figure it out. Mav, tally 2, 5 o'clock low. What do we do?
Okay, listen. Just be cool. If they knew who we were, we'd be dead already.
Well, here they come. What's your plan?
Just put your mask on. Remember, we're on the same team. Just wave and smile. Just wave and smile.
What's that signal? What's he saying?
Yeah, no idea. I have no idea what he's saying.
What about that one? Any idea?
No, never seen that one either. Shit. This wingman is moving into a weapons envelope. Alright, listen up. When I tell you, you grab those rings above your head. That's the ejection handle.
Mav, can we outrun these guys?
Not their missiles and guns.
Then it's a dogfight.
An F-14 against 5th gen fighters.
It's not the plane, it's the pilot. You'd go after him if I wasn't here.
But you are here.
Come on, Mav. Don't think. Just do.
Smoke in the air!
Smoke in the air! Smoke in the air!
Missile. Missile.
Here, man! Splash one! Splash one! Here comes another one!
Missile. Missile.
Booster flares!
Missile.
Now!
Splitting the throttles?
Stall warning.
Give me tone, give me tone. You got it, man, you got it. Taking a shot.
Missile. Stall warning. Missile. Missile warning.
What the? Holy shit, what the fuck was that?
Hang on! We gotta get low! The terrain will
Caution.
confuse his
Terrain.
targeting system.
Terrain. Caution.
Here
Pull
he
up.
comes!
Caution. Pull up.
Talk to me, Rooster! Where is he?
He's still on us!
Caution.
We took
Pull
a
up.
hit, we took a
Caution.
hit!
Pull
Damn
up.
it! Come on, man, there's some bad pilot shit!
Brace yourself!
Caution. Descend.
Holy shit!
Caution. Terrain.
I got tone! Taking a shot!
Damn!
Out of missiles! Switching to guns! Come on, Matt, come on!
You got him, man!
It's not over yet. One last chance.
You can do this!
Come on, Maverick.
Yes! Splash two!
Oh my God. this guy? He's on our nose.
Warning. Ammunition 0.
We're out of ammo.
Missile.
Smoke in the air!
Missile.
Rooster flares!
Missile.
That was close! We're out of flares, Mav! Shit, he's already on us! Ah, this is not good!
Warning.
Took another hit.
Warning.
No,
Warning.
We can't take much more of this! We can't outrun this guy. We gotta eject.
What?
We need altitude. Pull the ejection handles the second I tell you.
Mav, wait!
Rooster, there's no other way. Eject! Eject! Rooster, pull the handle, eject!
It's not working!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
Missile.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your savior speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts, return your tray tables to their locked and upright positions, and prepare for landing.
Hey, Hangman, you look good.
I am good, Rooster. I'm very good. I'll see you back on deck.